Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for April 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Hindi nyo na ako kailangan i-message, okay? So pwede na rin kayong dumiretso sa aking calendar. Link on the description or sa comment section. Pag hindi nyo makita, mrqueenph.com. Andun lahat ng info. Okay, so Gemini, let's see monthly energies coming to you ngayong April 2026. You have celebration, full moon. Full moon is about accomplishment, like may natapos, may na-culminate. That's why you are celebrating. Okay? So, some of you are celebrating your freedom. Aring meron kayong ni-let go, ni-release. Something that is no longer serving your highest good. You also have South Node. So, energy to ng past. So, I feel like yung ni-release mo ay may kinalaman sa past. Past relationship, past person from the past, situation in the past. And then, diba? Relationship talaga. Yeah, this can be any kind of relationship, no? So, pwede itong romantic relationship, friends, sa family. So, you are in the process of releasing that. Pwedeng nag-cut off ka ng person sa buhay mo. Pwede rin tong energetically. So, pwedeng nag-cut off ka ng energy dun sa person na yon. Like, for example, kahit wala na kayo na connection ng person na to, andun pa rin siya sa isip mo, hindi ka maka-move on. So, ngayon, you are moving on. Pinalaya mo na. Para sa iyong kapayapaan ng isip. Let's see what else. You have the Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Knight of Wands. Okay, so magiging busy ka ngayong April related sa trabaho, career path mo, or source of income mo. Meron dito sa yung nagpapa-excite. Oo, yung tipong, this can be an idea na gusto mong gawin or you are already starting it. Pwedeng nasisimulan mo na siya. There's also an energy of going to a new place or pwedeng paglipat. Paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho, pag-abroad. Parang meron kang gustong iwasan ng mga tao sa buhay mo, someone na nagtatry na i-control yung life mo. But I feel like ngayon, you are finally free. Meron ka ng kalayaan na magawa yung gusto mo. But at the same time, andun rin yung parang may konting fear. Alam mo yun, na parang, okay, you are, malaya ka, but at the same time, iniisip mo, talaga bang kaya mo na on your own? And, kumbaga, you will take this slowly, but surely. Oo, hindi ka naman magmamadali talaga na, may mapatunayan agad. You are taking it slow. Some of you, meron kayong talent sa business or andun yung inyong field, area, no? Can also be international. Pwedeng may interest kayo sa pakikipagtrabaho or pakikipag-business sa ibang bansa. Harmony. So, this is bringing balance in your life. I think meron ka ng mga alam mo yun, parang like what I mentioned kanina, yung mga sama ng loob mo sa ibang tao, you are letting that go kasi alam mo na yun yung nagpapabigat ng kalooban mo. Diba? You are practicing self-love, self-care. So, itong number na to, 5, ano kasi to? 5, tapos 4, 10, plus 4, 15, 5 ulit. Ay, teka, ano ba? 5 plus 5, 10, 14. Ay, yeah. 14, 1, 4, 5. So, this is exploration and breaking free talaga, no? So, you are changing, you are evolving into a new version of yourself. Ayan yung way mo to love yourself, to take care of yourself. You are also being protected. Ang daming rin numbers ng 4 dito. 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 12, 3. 3 is about, mas connected ka ngayon sa, parang may mga bago kang kinikilala, no, ng mga connections, friendships. You are stepping out of your comfort zone, and at the same time, nagiging maingat ka rin. Dahil, syempre, kung andun ka sa situation na parang feeling mo you've been limited for a long time, tapos ngayon may pagkakataon ka na mag-explore, syempre, alam mo rin sa sarili mo na gagawin mo lang yun with proper caution. Kasi, mahirap na. Kasi merong para makaiwas ka sa mga taong magte-take advantage of you. Okay? So, you can always rewrite the story. Meron mang mga bagay na hindi nag-work para sa'yo in the past. Ngayon, you will do things that will work for yourself. So, kumbaga, try mo ulit, no? Oo. Hindi porket nag-fail ka doon sa dati mong project or dati mong relationship or dati mong career, plano mo, doesn't mean na yung mga bagong susubukan mo mag-fail ulit. So, yeah, you have to be confident sa sarili mo. You can always rewrite the story. You never needed wings to fly. Wow. Ayan, no. Ito ang interpretation kasi nito is, minsan hindi natin magawa yung gusto natin gawin kasi akala natin hindi natin kaya. Dahil wala tayo ng bagay na inaakala natin dapat mayroon tayo para magawa natin. So, just like this, no? Akala niya kailangan niya ng wings para makalipad. But hindi naman niya pala kailangan yun all along. So, kailangan lang niya magtiwala sa kanyang sarili. At, maglakas ng loob na gawin yung gusto niya. So, that is the message or energy for you ngayong April. So, it's about freedom, taking action, and also courage. Courage or tiwala sa sarili mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.